to the edge. It was mishit by Toro. End-to-end stuff here currently in Dar es Salaam. Mahima did well. Knocked it onto Abraham. Continues his run. Abraham wriggles his way past Adarito. And it's through now from Mpanzu, who goes around Marquez, but only finds the side netting. Another close call. But ultimately, another miss for Simba. It's a great run, really brilliantly picked out by Morris Abraham. Took it round Marquez. Was moving away from goal. See, losing his footing as he struck it, and about half a metre wide of that near post in the end. Frustration already. New dynamic up top for Simba. Correct decision. Clearly offside. Eli Mpanzu. Space here ahead of Neo Maema. Drop of the shoulder. He's caught by Toro. Probably into the book. Indeed he will. Somewhere between clumsy and cynical. Either way, enough for the referee to weed out, knocking out Simba in the quarterfinals. It actually beat Weedad in the group stage as well. When it came to the knockouts, couldn't get the job done. Simba looking to get the job done here. Shot coming in. Formerly of famous Brazilian clubs Vasco da Gama and Botafogo. Oh, piece of miscontrol from his fellow substitute there. Gilberto may just have let off Simba. That's breaking ball forwards from Nangu. Got there. Kakombe. Got the free kick there. Now instead it's Petro racing away down the other end. Important challenge from Rushin De Roy, but the pressure at the back. Nangu will send it long. Taken down brilliantly on the chest by Mligo. He was then bundled over, stayed down. Referee waved away the protests. Here comes Benny, who let fly, it's deflected, and it's in. A bolt from the blue, from the team in yellow and blue. And all stem from this moment down the other end. Ligo said it should have been a foul. Sadly didn't get the ball. Either way, Petro broke away. It was Benny who started the move there. Ambled on, up the right wing. Lovely pass and move, combination with Rice. Opened up, they stood off him for the shot, but it came off De Roy, who buried his face in his shirt, having diverted the ball past his own keeper. The hopes of a dream start for those in red turn rapidly into a nightmare. Simba now have 10 minutes or so remaining. We left to him by Jasambi, still full of pace on since the first whistle. Eli Mpanzu, Ahua. Flicked on. Is it going to drop from Mpanzu? Or maybe on the edge for Jasambi or Ahua? Here was the latter who provide. It delivers in the free kick. It's cleared away by Anderson Cruz.